When you see the nature and beauty, you will feel happy and relaxed. This is the reason why nature is so beautiful to observe. So when you observe the nature and beauty, it will help to release your stress, anxiety and depression, your mental focus and your mindset will be improved quickly. This is the reason why nature is the best source for your self satisfaction, mental healing practice, and the ultimate happiness. When you observe the nature and beauty, your mind will be refreshed, your eyes will be refreshed, your body will be refreshed, and most importantly, your soul will be refreshed and purified. Love nature and beauty. Nature is the best source for your self healing practice and mental relaxation as well as the happiness.